Welcome to AirplaneManager.com. Airplane Manager is a fully web-based scheduling, quoting, and management system. It's utilized by air charter companies, corporate flight departments, and air charter brokers. The system is designed around basic security user levels. The different user levels that you can assign within your company would be administrator, scheduler, pilot, mechanics, flight attendants, view only, customers, brokers, and FAA. Those user levels have built-in security so that different people within your company can't see certain information or can't change certain information. There are some settings also that allow you to, allow some people to see or do a little bit extra inside of the system. You'll notice that over here we have a calendar menu, and we're on the month flight. If I go over to the flight crew, you'll notice that we have a different style of calendar here. We can go back over to the month flight for the more traditional view. Over here, you can add trips and quotes. You can add calendar notes. Over on the admin menu, you can go to settings. And you can change all kinds of things such as your menu. We have different styles of menus. If you don't like the top menu, we have a side menu. Also, you can change your trip sheet settings, quote setup, all kinds of different preferences here. You can even change the color of your menu if you don't like the color we set by default. Also on the admin panel, you can add and remove users. You can edit your aircraft profiles, performance. You can also edit your quoting profiles. On the admin menu, we have things like reports and fuel upload. Contract fuel pricing is a big part of our system. If you upload your contract fuel pricing, our system will teach you what the best price is at each available airport that you may visit. Also, we have some fuel providers that upload the fuel pricing for you automatically. We have a customers database that will help you track all of your customer information. It also will help you track all of their passenger information. We also have a quotes area, and you can of course make broker quotes. You can also make fleet quotes. Here is an example of a fleet quote. You can see the customer, aircraft, quoting profile. It's going from Palm Beach to Teterboro, 2 hours and 15 minutes. And down here is your calculations, your taxes. If you need to email it to the customer, you can email it very quickly. And you can tell that this quote has been booked. Our quote setup allows you to customize the headers and footers of the quotes, terms and conditions, has special keyword ability. It's very, very good. Everybody enjoys it a great deal. Next, we have the flight log area, and in our system, you can, see all of your flight logs here, and you'll notice that our flight logs are very simple, but they get the job done. They have different pages. They have expenses. Your pilots can enter their flight logs directly from their phone. They can also enter their expenses and take a picture of their receipts and upload those as well. On the flight logs menu, we also have time and duty. And over here we have quick links with an airport search that's very helpful, aircraft status, pilot status, and different tools. And last, we have your profile area. Pilot profiles can track things like medicals, passport expiration, and different training, aircraft training as well as company training. If we go back over to the calendar, you will notice that we have a couple trips here on the calendar. we go over here and we can go to either the quote or we can go to the flight, and we will go straight to the flight here. And you'll notice once again it looks similar. They're going from Palm Beach to Teterboro. You can tell that they've already selected their FBOs. They've even selected their fuel here. If we want, we could select some fuel at the other airport. So we'll go ahead and just take a nice cheap fuel here. And once you select your fuel, it will print onto the pilot's trip sheet automatically. You can, as you build your trip, the trip sheet will just automatically fill in. So here we can take a look at the pilot trip sheet. This is the HTML website version. You notice that up here in the corner you can just hit download PDF if you like. You can also use the map if you would like to do fuel stops and things like that, if it's helpful for you. And we can go over to the passenger list here, and you can see the passengers that are selected, which legs they're on, and if you want you can add new passengers right here, and you can select from their saved passenger information. And if you'd like to look at their profile, you can do so by clicking on the name, and it will save. And now we'll go back over to the calendar. So that's a basic overview of Airplane Manager. The system obviously does a great deal more than what I've described. If you'd like to learn any more specifics, please visit our tutorials page and select a certain video. Thank you.